Guys, I decided to use this one down here as well. So this is going to power tons of different devices, and when you press in the button, it lights up blue on the side there. Hello everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. Today we're checking out this 10-port USB 3.0 hub. So let's get started. Now, I've reviewed from this brand before, and I got one of their smaller hubs, and I absolutely love it. In fact, I use it right over here. So this one I might use down here because we almost got that one maxed out. So I might use it as well. We'll see. Yep, I like it. So I'll show you guys up close how everything looks here. But just to go over some features here. So this is what it looks like. Nice chrome accent on it. It's all push button, so you press a button and you can turn each USB hub on and off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Nice mirrored chrome pieces on there. Very sleek design. So for this, you just plug this in the outlet. That gives power to the hub, and then this gets plugged into here, and that gets plugged into your computer. Now, you don't have to use this as a computer hub, but if you want to use it for a computer hub, so basically you plug this in the back of the hub, and then you plug it into your computer, and you can use it as a computer hub. So I'm trying to think what I want to do. If I want that one upstairs or this one down here, or keep both down here. If you're not plugging into a computer, you don't need this cable, you just need the power. But if you're plugging into your computer, then you're going to want both cables plugged in. They also do give you a manual, but I mean, it's pretty simple. But overall, very nice looking. So this is the other one we have, and as you can see, we are 2 ports away from being maxed out. So I think we're going to keep this one down here as well. Overall, guys, works great for charging devices. And again, you know, you can have it plugged into your computer and use it with your computer, and it will recognize each USB.